accelerator state trainee. I'm going to instruct my student on how to transfer with a gait belt to a wheelchair. Let's get started. I will talk them through it. All right, this is Austin and this is Iris. We're in a physical therapy room, but we're going to go ahead and show the skill, and I'm going to instruct him through it.
Wash hands.
Knock on door.
Knock. Hi, I'm Austin. I'm going to be your CNA today. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to transfer you from the bed to your wheelchair using the gait belt, okay?
Okay.
Is that okay with you?
Yes.
Head and bed is within lowest setting. Bed is locked. Call it whistle within reach.
We're going to provide privacy.
Privacy.
Then we're going to wash hands.
Wash hands.
All right, now we're going to grab our supplies. So we're going to go and get a wheelchair, your gait belt, with the wheelchair with legs. And then the resident should have some shoes. We're going to remove the wheelchair leggings right now. And we're going to place them in a safe spot so we don't trip on them or the resident doesn't trip on them. Show me how you unlock that. And you open it, so there's a little lever in the center and it pulls it off. Okay. All right, so now we're going to do our 4 S's. Scoot, sit, swing, and choose.
Is it okay if I touch you? Yes. Okay, so I'm going to put my hand back here. I'm going to put it under here. But first we're going to raise you, okay?
We're going to scoot
To the side, right?
to the side, closest to you. Pull it towards you.
Okay. We're going to sit up, okay?
There you go. All right, now you can go ahead and set her up.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
How are you feeling? Do you feel dizzy or anything?
No, I'm okay.
Good indirect care.
We're going to scooch to the side and we're going to dangle for a little bit, okay?
We're going to swing her around.
1, 2, 3.
See, if we had locked that wheelchair would have hit her foot. Okay?
How are you feeling? You okay? Mm-hmm. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the gait belt on, but we're going to put your shoes on first, okay?
Okay. And if the resident can put their own shoes on, you can do that also. Some can.
How are you feeling? Any dizziness or anything?
No, I'm okay.
Oh, good.
Okay.
All right, and so we're going to put it through the teeth of the.
Okay, we're going to reach around you, okay? And this is going to go around your waist, okay? It's going to be tight, okay?
Mm-hmm. All right, bring it back a little bit more. It needs to be tighter. Yeah, let's do it. So bring it all the way over here. Bring it back over here. Now, pull it as tight as you can. Make her blue. Keep going. Okay. And you want to make sure that your gait belt is not touching skin. It's not kinked. Okay. And you're going to tighten that up now. Are we kinked up here? We're kinked up right here. Let's take that out.
Okay.
Yeah, take that out a little bit.
Oh.
There you go.
Let's see.
Lift it up. There you go. Okay, and then just tuck it in there. Okay, just out of the way. All right, so our next step is we're going to be putting our wheelchair touching the bed at an angle. So you want to make sure it is touching the bed and it is locked. Okay, is it locked? All right, so now you're going to put your left leg in between her right leg, or in between her legs. There we go. All right, you're going to grab the gait belt on either side of her at an upward angle. You're going to have your resident put her hands on your shoulder, and you're going to do a rocking motion, and that rocking motion is going to help get her up. So you back on the count of 3.
2, 3.
Big and tall.
Okay.
Are you okay?
You okay? How are you feeling? Any dizziness?
No.
Okay, so we're going to pivot this way, okay?
Okay, we're going to do a pivot motion, 3-point. So you're going to go 1, 2, and back. Make sure the legs of the or her legs are touching the wheelchair. Whoa. See, thank God that wheelchair was locked. All right, so you're gonna make sure her buttocks is in the back of the chair and double check it. Sit forward and make sure we're good. Yes, okay. Now you're gonna remove that gait belt. And do it slowly when you pull that out, because that can really whip and hit somebody. Roll it up and place it in a spot out of the way. All right, so now you're gonna unlock her, and you can re-lock her. Gonna put the legs of the wheelchair, but you're gonna need to remove it from the bed first. There you go. Just kind of roll her back a little bit. Get her available. Go ahead and lock it again. Okay. Now when you put your legs on, you make sure whichever side, okay? You're gonna put it in the pegs. See the pegs there and those pegs? And it's sometimes very tricky. Get in there and you're gonna lock it around. Good locking motion, good. Right. If your resident can't lift her leg, you assist her. We do the same thing with the other leg. This one was tricky. I had a hard time with this one for some reason. Yeah, you did a good job. All right. So this resident can't move her leg, you go ahead and help her. So you're gonna make sure you hold her ankle, like the heel.
Mm-hmm.
You wanna hold all joints basically. All right, lift it up, place it in a chair. Okay. All right, so now your resident is ready for her activity. You would make sure she has a call bell within reach.
Call bell within reach. Are you in any pain? Are you okay?
Yes.
Make sure her wheelchair is locked and she's able to lock and unlock it.
Can you see if you can able to unlock it and lock it, please?
Okay. All right, you make sure it's locked. All right, and you ask about privacy.
You want privacy?
Please.
Okay.
Privacy.
All right, so that skill is done. Wash hands, skill complete. Thank you for watching, and you two did a really great job. All right, thank you.